Ito po, isang awit din tungkol po sa global warming, climate change.
Dahil syempre alam naman natin yung issue ng climate change ay apektado tayong lahat, kaya kailangan iparinig natin yung boses natin lalong-lalo na sa mga leaders sa Paris habang sila nag-uusap na sana magkaroon ng strong and legally binding agreement para matigil na ang mga epekto ng matinding climate change sa atin.
Kung wala pong mangyayari, wala na po tayong kinabukasan. Kaya po ipagpatuloy po natin ang ating sama-samang pagkilos.
The conversation is happening amongst ordinary people. And when policymakers meet in Paris, we know that they will say big things which will not be implemented right away because politics will always get in the way. No? But people should organize themselves and reach a point of making decisions that will have impact on the lives of communities, which eventually the government has to listen to.